Hi, Brett at Premier Golf Academy. Today I'm going to talk to you about a great tip for practicing bunker shots. So one of the most important things we do when we hit a bunker shot is we need to hit about 1 inch behind the ball. So most people end up hitting much farther than that, or they don't hit enough down behind the ball and they hit the ball and it flies over the green. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the head of the golf club and draw a line in the sand. So you can see I started 1 inch behind the ball. Then I'm going to come back to the beginning of the line and I'm going to practice swinging down, and I want the club to enter the ground right on the line. Just move forward and set yourself up, make another swing. Okay, I did it 5 times. Pretty good. All of them hit right on the line. Now I have my line behind the 2 balls. I'm going to hit 2 balls up onto the green. Perfect. So this is a great drill. You don't need a golf ball. When I was younger and I was practicing this, I'd make a line the entire length of the bunker, and I would go through until I could hit the line each time. Then I would start hitting golf balls, and the balls came out every time. So try this drill and you're going to get it out one shot.